The inner terminus of the fingerprint pattern. Answer: core. The secondary classification of the thumb, middle, ring, and little fingers must be written in small letters. Is this statement true or false? Answer: true. He is a notorious gangster and a police character who attempted to erase his fingerprint by burning it with acid. Answer: John Dillinger. What objects appear as tiny black lines with small white dots called pores in an ink finger impression? Answer: ridges. What do you call the separating or spreading apart of two ridges that were previously running side by side? Answer: divergence. How many standard fingerprint patterns are there? Answer: 8. He is considered the father of fingerprint science. Answer: Edward Richard Henry. What are the little openings on the skin from where sweat is excreted? Answer: pores. What ridge divides itself into two or more branches that meet to form the original figure? Answer: island ridge. What is an attempt at character reading through the patterns of fingerprints? Answer: dactylography. A German anthropologist from the University of Halle studies friction ridge skin permanence by printing his own right hand in 1856 and again in 1897, then published a study in 1898. Answer: Hermann Wilker. What are the three principles of fingerprint science? Answer: the three principles of fingerprint science are: 1. Principle of individuality, 2. Principle of permanency, 3. Principle of infallibility. Study smarter, not harder. Under the syllabi or table of specification, 18 items or questions will be sourced from personal identification.